back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create beautiful beach waves using the Dyson Airwrap. I have just got out of the shower. My hair has naturally dried a little bit. I didn't actually want it to dry this much, but because it's taken me quite a long time to set all of this up, unfortunately it's dried a little bit more than what I wanted. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over it with some more water, dampen it a little bit, and I'm actually going to try and dry and straighten it out using the smoothing brush. This is the first step to creating a no frizz beach look. If you don't have frizzy curly hair like me, then you just want to use the normal hair dryer attachment. Just tip your hair upside down and give it a little bit of a blow dry. You mainly just want to get the roots dry. You want to keep the ends a little bit wet. If you've naturally frizzy curly hair like me, you want to use this, because if you don't, and if you just try and create the beach waves just straight away using barrels, it's just going to end up frizzy and the waves are just going to look all kinked and all funny because your natural hair is going to come through. So I'm going to show you how I do that really quickly. I am going to use my heat defense. I absolutely love this stuff. I've literally been using it since I was like, I think like 13. It smells so good. Okay, so we are literally just gonna concentrate mainly on the roots here, and we just want to do this really quickly. The most important thing that you want to do is you want to put the attachment under your hair and pull it up and away to create volume. Do not do it like this. It's just gonna flatten it to your head. That is not what we want. We want these beach waves to look voluminous. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm just actually laughing because I just looked at myself in the mirror, and I recently had someone comment on one of my hair tutorial videos on YouTube that I did not have frizzy hair, and I'm like, hun, like, are you sure you were watching my tutorial whenever you commented that? Because like, if this isn't frizzy hair, show me frizzy hair. What I have successfully done is got a lot of the curl out, and that's good because I want to take the curl out in order to add a nice wave. If I had have just left it curly how it was, I would not have got a nice wave, and it may not seem like it, but I also have minimized a lot of the frizz. This frizz is a little bit smoother now that I've actually used the smoothing brush, and this is not how my hair normally looks after using the smoothing brush. I actually have a really good tutorial to show you how to use the smoothing brush to get super straight, silky, non-frizz hair. It's just because I just done it really quickly and I just did the roots, so it would not normally be this size or this frizzy after using the smoothing brush. So really quickly, I forgot to add, whenever I got out of the shower today, what I did was I added some of this blow dry cream, which really helps with volume, which is also probably why my hair is so voluminous right now. And I also used the mousse. I don't have it right now, it's in the bathroom, but I will link all the products that you use in the description. I would advise maybe investing in these products. I think they're really good and they're super affordable. Okay, so let's get rid of this Hagrid looking hair and let's put some beautiful beach waves in it so I can feel like a cool surfer chick rather than feeling like I've just walked off the set of bloody Harry Potter. I'm going to give it a quick brush. Look, I am going to get the thinner barrels. I do have the thicker ones, but using the thinner ones, you are going to create a more defined beach wave and it's going to last a lot longer. I also have the long barrels. If you have long hair, I seriously recommend investing in the longer barrels. My kit actually came as a complete long, but I do know that you can buy these long barrels individually. I don't think they're that expensive. I think it's like 30-40 pounds just to buy the individual barrels, so I recommend investing in these. So unlike whenever you're curling your hair, you usually choose the barrels that has the arrows that go away from your face, but in this instance we are going to choose the opposite one. So you're going to hold it up and the arrows need to point towards your face from the side of the hair that you're doing. I'm going to clip them in, because what we're going to do is we're going to turn this upside down, and if you can see, the barrels are going away from my face once I tip this upside down. My hair is quite dry right now and I need it to be a little bit wet because that's going to hold the curl a little bit better. So I'm just going to spray some water on it. Again, just concentrate on the ends. You don't want to wet the roots of your hair. You want those to be quite dry. And we are going to have this on high heat, high speed. Let's go.
Simply want to start at the root and wrap your hair around. You are going to hold for about 10 seconds on high heat, and then you are going to switch to a cold shot and hold it for about 10 seconds on the cold shot.
And guys, you always want to make sure that you turn your Airwrap off before letting the curl go out. And there we go, a beautiful wave. That is so nice, and so much nicer than whenever you just use a curling tongue or a hair straightener, because I feel like because we're actually drying the curl in with air, it just makes it like floaty and bouncy and keeps that volume in, whereas sometimes I feel like whenever you're using like a tongue, hair straightener, it kind of takes like a lot of the volume out and like drags it down. So I feel like whenever I do it, I just have like waves that are like flat to my hair. I'm gonna do another one for you, and I'm then gonna demonstrate on this side, and then I'm gonna fast forward through my hair. Okay, so remember, you want high heat, high speed, and you are going to place the barrel upside down and you're going to wrap the hair around.
Also, if you find it a little bit too hot on the highest heat, then you can just switch to a medium heat and maybe hold it for a few seconds longer.
Perfect. Already this side is looking a lot better than this side. So now we're going to move on to this side of my hair. You are going to change and you are going to put the other barrel on. That again, whenever you hold it up to your face, it's actually going towards your face, but whenever you tip it upside down, it's going to be going away from your face. Usually whenever I'm doing my hair, I actually start at the back and work my way forward. So I'll curl this bit and then I'll put it like behind my shoulder. I'll curl this bit, put it behind my shoulder. But just for the sake of showing you guys how to do it, I feel like it's easier if I start from the front so that you can get a better view of what I'm doing. Sometimes if you start from the front and then you bring these bits forward and you're spraying it, then you're getting this bit that's already styled, all wet, so it makes sense to actually start from the back and work your way forward. I hope that makes sense. There we go. Just looks so beautiful. Absolutely love it. I'm going to show you once more on the side. So high heat, high speed. You want to turn it upside down, put it near the root and wrap your hair around. And then you're going to turn it off. Honestly, like I just can't get over how nice it looks.
Okay guys, I'm just gonna speed this up because I'm hoping you will have the hang of it by now. If you don't, just simply rewind and have another little watch until you get the hang of it.
Okay guys, I have worked through the different sections of hair. I am now on the top. I'm going to show you what I do at the top to get rid of all of that frizz and also to add volume. So I feel like the top bit of your hair is the most important whenever it comes to getting rid of the frizz, because it obviously hides all the rest of your hair. What I'm going to do here is I am going to... Ooh, I'm going to put on my round brush, but it's full of hair. It looks a bit disgusting. Also guys, if you're watching this and you have the flyaway attachment with the supersonic, you do not need to do this. Just go on ahead and finish weaving your hair and just use the flyaway attachment to get rid of those frizzy flyaways, but unfortunately I do not have that yet. Hopefully I will get it soon, so I need to improvise. I'm gonna put the round brush on, I'm gonna wet my hair, and I'm gonna do this quite roughly. High heat, high speed. This is just going to help smooth it out, so whenever I add the wave, there's not lots of frizz. See, already this side looks a lot smoother than what this side looks. There we go, that was nice and quick and easy. So we're obviously going to take this back off. And we are going to do this side first, the left hand side. So again, remember, arrows going towards your face because whenever you tip it upside down, they're going to be going away from your face. I'm going to leave my front little bangs out of this. I'm actually going to just put it over this side of my hair so it doesn't get caught, because I'm going to do the front little bangs together. Show you at the end what I do. Now I am going to move over to this side. Of course, I'm going to switch the barrels over so that whenever you hold it up to your face, the arrows are pointing towards your face, and whenever you tip it upside down, they are going away from your face. Guys, so now that I have finished weaving my whole hair, I'm going to show you what I do to my bangs. You want to put the barrel on and you want to make sure the arrows are pointing down away from your face. Now I am going to open them. Do it like you would with a normal curl. Look like Elvis. And you're just going to pull them out a little bit so they don't look so crazy. Looking very fluffy right now. I am going to use some oil. I'm going to rub that in. It's just going to add a little bit more texture, a little bit of shine, and take any frizz out of my hair. And there we go. Some beautiful beach waves. So I do think that by using a tong and hair straightener, you can definitely get a lot more defined waves, but personally I quite like how loose they are. I just think it looks a lot more natural, and I just really love that they still look fluffy and bouncy. So this is absolutely perfect for me. I love this. Because my hair is naturally wavy, I feel like my hair holds this style a lot more. But if you have naturally straight hair, I would recommend hairspraying your waves after you've done them, because that will just help them stay in a little bit longer. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more hair tutorials, please make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be uploading lots more over here on my channel. I have recently just got the Dyson Corral, so I'm going to start making some YouTube videos on how you can style your hair using that. Of course, if there's any other hair tutorials you would like to see regarding the Dyson Airwrap or regarding anything else, please comment below and I will make sure I create it. This one was actually a requested video. Quite a few of you commented on some of my other videos that you would like to see this one, so I will make sure I make any videos that you request. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.